Hi guys, how are we doing? Keeping well? Oh god, I get some stuff in here. So, got a customer's car in a minute, and it's been damaged by someone else, and they've held the hand up, and they've paid out. But my customer also said it's been previously repaired on the back bumper, and I went, yeah, it's a bit obvious that. She says, yeah, I was wondering if you can do about that as well. I says, right, okay, let's have a look at it, shall we? You'll like this. So this got repaired by a previous body shop, naming no names, and this is what they did. So, colour match, and not so colour match. The camera doesn't quite pick it up so well, should I say. So that is glaringly obvious, as you can see in the video, okay? There's the repair. So we're blending across both doors, but what we're going to do the driver's door, passenger door, quarter, and the full bumper. Well, almost the full bumper. We're gonna blend that out. So now you've seen it. So I'm going to bring this to your attention. You know what the body shop said to her? They said, "We know it's not quite a good match, but what will happen is that will get better over a few weeks." Yeah. If you ever come across that and a body shop says that to you, tell them to fucking shut up, because they're talking shite, they've done it wrong and they must do it again. Because that is appalling, right? To come out with some billy bollocks bullshit that all of a sudden, over a few weeks, that the paint is just going to magically fucking blend in. What a load of shit. So, take it from me, I've done mistakes, right? And I would not let that go out like that. If that was the quality of my work, I'd be buying new ones of these and I'd be doing the job again, and I wouldn't be telling the customer until it was right. So there you go. Yeah, peace out. Update on the Nissan Juke. Guess what? She's in paint and all matches. Bumper, I'll do it that way instead of pointing at the camera. Bumper, blend it out, wrong way, Lee. That way. Let's flip the camera around. The camera doesn't really pick up the yellow in this light, but it's a lot more vibrant, this yellow. But yeah, so there was damage there. No point in blending because we continued to colour over. That was the horrible blend that was in there before, and then it's been blended out, and that's the original colour, and it's been top coated with lacquer. So yeah, job done. Tomorrow, flat and polish. Don't know, Saturday, don't know, maybe. Anyway, be done for next week. Yeah.